Thieves don't want you to know this trick. It makes finding your money or valuables feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. If you keep extra cash, jewelry, or other valuables at home, you've probably wondered where to hide them. There are lots of ways, but here's one that's simple and genius. You can hide money in a roll of toilet paper. Just unroll a bit, place your bills inside, then roll it back up and return it to wherever you store extra toilet paper. Just don't forget which roll. There's another clever use for a toilet paper roll, combined with a jar. All you need is the cardboard tube and a jar that's either the same height or slightly shorter. Insert the tube into the empty jar and mark the top edge. Cut the tube to match the jar's height, then place it back inside. Now, take any dry food product like rice, lentils, I used lentils, cereal, flaxseed, anything you normally store in a jar. Pour it around the tube to fill the space. Inside the tube, you've got a hidden compartment. Once the jar is closed, it looks completely normal. Fold your cash or place your jewelry inside the hidden space. Then just put the jar back in your pantry with the rest of your food. No thief is going to spend time digging through dry goods, and even if they did, they'd never guess what's hidden in that jar. It's simple, cheap, and incredibly effective.